fishing for cats. Here's what you do. You find the cat. Throw the baby. That one.
Oh, she's. I see a bee.
Oh, she's a big one. Michael, I think you get your catfish fit on his hand.
Alright, you distract her. Alright, you distract her. I will grab.
No, I don't. You got the fishing and get the cat close up by himself. Oh, she's got a hold of it. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, she's a beauty, ain't she?
Oh, yeah.
Boys, stay away from the sword. I can use my fish nibbles. I hope those two obviously fight.
Hello, Nibbles. Get her out a little farther. Hey, don't confuse her. It is a girl, right?
Yeah, no.
You want to check?
No.
Okay, neither do I. Alright. Got it! Alright, here, grab the camera. Grab the camera.
Okay, this is the notorious cat Nibbles. Okay, and the camera was upside down.
Why?
As you can see by the shining blue eyes,
Nope.
and the biting personality, and the running away personality, that this cat is keep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Watch out, bloke. She's trying to go fray.
Oh, she might bite.
She might bite. Watch out. She's the Mexican biting cat.
Yeah, I know. I got you. Ow.
Take a bite. El chupacabra. El chupacabra. Oh my god, this cat is vicious. El chupacabra. El chupacabra. This cat is on drugs.
Yes, this cat is very on drugs.
Okay.
Let's
Quickly
sound
place.
like an Asian now.
Okay. Now, put this on her head.
Okay.
Make it look like she can't get out.
Alright.
Okay. Okay. No, don't let her get out first.
Like this.
First of all, okay. Now give me the leash. And we switch. Okay. Now.
Make sure she can't get out.
Oh crap, she got out.
Oh crap! Grab her. Oh crap, the camera's upside down again.
She's attacking me.
Attack him!
See, she likes me.
You're gonna laugh if she bites you.
She's attacking. She's getting away.
Watch this failure do work. Oh, she's got. Oh, there she goes.
She's paralyzing with her belly rub. That's the way to catch a fish.